and welcome to a short presentation of Yamaha's EMX5016CF. My name is Tobias Beitzen, and I'm going to show you the highlights of Yamaha's EMX5016CF. Yamaha's EMX Power Mixer series consists of different models, covering different output powers, channels and features. The top model in the EMX lineup, the EMX5016CF, delivers the convenience of an integrated power mixer with input capacity, flexible features, and solid sound that critical live sound applications demand. It's remarkably compact and portable for a live sound system with this much capability, but offers performance and reliability that will satisfy the discerning professional user, either on the road or in installed applications. An impressive power output of 500 watts per channel means it can handle fairly large audiences, indoors or out. The EMX5016CF has a total of 16 input channels, 8 for monaural microphone or line input, plus 4 stereo pairs. The stereo channel pairs can function either as monaural microphone inputs or stereo line inputs. This system gives you extra microphone inputs if your sources are mostly microphones, or if you need to handle more stereo sources, the EMX-CF will comfortably handle 4 pairs, in addition to 8 monaural microphone or line inputs. Switchable phantom power is provided for all microphone inputs. 3-band EQ is available on all input channels, but extra versatility is provided on the 8 mono channels with mid-frequency sweep controls. The mid-EQ center frequency can be continuously swept from 250 Hz through to 5 kHz, so you can precisely pinpoint frequencies in the critical mid-range that require compensation, providing significantly enhanced equalization potential. All you need to create a powerful, high-performance live sound system is the EMX5016CF, a pair of speakers or two, and your sources. But it features a range of inputs and outputs that allow it to be expanded with external gear or integrated into larger systems. Insert patch points on the mono input channels, for example, lets you add outboard signal processing to individual input channels. And although you have all the monitor power and effects you're likely to need built in, external aux and effect sends allow you to route the mixer signals to external signal processing and or monitor systems as required. Stereo out, stereo sub out, and record outputs are also provided. The EMX5016CF features compressors on all monaural microphone line channels that can help to make vocals ride the mix better, give you that smooth compressed guitar sound, deliver more punchy bass, and generally refine your mixes in a multitude of ways. These unique one-knob compressors are surprisingly simple to use. There are no multiple attack, threshold makeup gain and other controls, just set the comp control to the amount of compression you need. This advanced digital 9-band stereo graphic equalizer goes way beyond conventional analog types with a refined control interface, instant recall presets, and user memory locations. It also works with the console's innovative frequency response correction system for unprecedented response shaping control. Of course, you can manually adjust each band as required from scratch, but you can also use one of the presets, vocal, dance, or speech, as a starting point, and edit from there. You also have 3 user memories into which you can store your own EQ curves for instant recall whenever needed. Setting a live sound system's output equalizer to optimally match room response is normally a complicated process and a great deal of time and experience. The EMX5016CF handles the entire process automatically using either pink noise or a recorded music source you supply. To precisely match the system's response to the room you're in, all you need to do is set up a microphone in an appropriate location, connect it to channel 1, press Measure Correct once to make the measurement, and then again to automatically set the graphic equalizer for optimized response. The EQ setting can then be stored in one of the user memories for later recall if needed. Although the graphic equalizer can be used for feedback control, the EMX5016CF provides a feedback suppressor system that's dedicated to the job. The feedback suppressor works by detecting feedback frequencies on the stereo bus and applying precise notch filters to eliminate the feedback. The feedback suppressor has an auto mode that automatically keeps track of and attenuates feedback frequencies for you, and a sensitive manual mode that lets you pinpoint and attenuate feedback points one by one. The EMX5016CF includes not one but two top-performance Yamaha SPX digital effect processors built in. You might only need ambience effects such as reverb and delay for live sound applications, and the EMX5016CF includes some of the finest reverb and delay effects available. But if you need other effects as well, they're right at your fingertips, and you can use two different effects simultaneously. If you're searching for a serious power mixer with loads of useful functions that you'll not find on any other power mixer, and which is easy to use for a big variety of applications, the EMX5016CF from the EMX lineup is the power mixer of your choice.